What I'm going again, Yaad, is welcome back to this video. Yeah, man. As in the title, down below, only know what I'm doing in a video. But ready? Yeah, man. What is some cold goat balls? I don't think I've eaten it before. So definitely never eat it before. I never cook it before. Yeah, man. So I'll do curry in a coconut milk today. Yeah, man. So curry, coconut, goat balls. That is it. So if you never eat it before, comment below and tell me how it tastes now, right? Yeah, man. Comment below and tell me how it tastes before I actually go down in it. And if you never eat it before, comment below and tell me if only them eat it. Yeah, man. When you think about we eating goat balls, yeah, man, and like the video, share, show some of the video here, yeah, man. A friend, a family member, yeah, man, share it out, man. Subscribe for new and for a long time. Thanks for support. And if you come to my channel for the first time today because of the video here, please not be gonna subscribe and thank me support us. So yeah, man. So my job right now, now I'm gonna see what Gwaan. Yeah, man, guys, see what Gwaan there. Can't show you lower part, you know, cause it's gone. See, same bars, them big. Yeah, man. This one of them bars, guys. One of them big already. You know, and see the next one here. Man, black and white still, so hopefully YouTube good with that, you know. So you're not no blood and all that. Yeah, man. So we'll get this skin and thing. Skin thick, you don't know. Scrape it. Soup with the balls and the foot and the head and them thing there, you know. Yeah, man. So try to see me, guys. We have more rep because you know finish skin it and you know finish in a good and them thing there. So enough. Alright, guys, so see what bars there, clean it on yet. All the white outside there, they have to come off. So one of that in a moment and see what work it here. We have curry, I don't know, better pack. We have kindle coconut powder, pepper, onion, so skeleton time in a bag and garlic and carrot, right? And it's all our powder season. So we have a Maggi season with salt, with rosemary. You know, there's so much season right here. So young girl can cook, big up. Again, you know, see how you season here. So big up again. So let's get started, guys, and we have oil. Yeah, man. So let's get the goat balls clean up. So I'm guys, the white piece here to take off. And guys, the first time I eat it, first time I clean it. You know, people always roast it and everything there. here guys. Yeah man, I goat ball, these are in testicle. Guys, I throw on little rosemary on it. I don't know all about spice and all that, you know. Yeah man, take one more than that. I don't know about a little Maggi season. Yeah man, Jamaica national season. You can use whatever season you want to put on it, guys. I don't know. Cayenne pepper. And stir him up. So peeps are getting the curry. In a pot. You don't know where Jamaicans burn the curry first. So I'm gonna get the season cut up now. You know, and control an item, you go and cook with them. And in the meantime, between time, I'll just put the breadfruit on the fire. Yeah, I'm going to go and do things same time, you know. That is it. I'll go on there. So see what I do, guys, onion, with scale and thyme, garlic and pepper. I don't have no sweet pepper because from anti-burial parts through can't find that, so they may work with the as herbal season sometime. Now put more than that on it as pepper. Because we don't want carne, and we can't eat it. Garlic. Now cut up thyme. Cut up the scale now. I think I want to start still enough. Fire one, ketchup back guys, one ketchup back. So I add in the season in pot. I make the balls or testicle cook with it. So when you cook now, then I add in the coconut powder. You know, or in the soon cook, I add in the coconut powder. So make that one do thing. I get the fire ketchup back. When the coconut powder peeps, you must stir. Maggi, eat a little pepper up, I don't know. So the Maggi is nice. Rosemary, to chop onion, fire it wicked. The man peeps are thick and nice, yeah man. So I don't know, say when the breadfruit done now, you have to use the breadfruit and sap up the nice curry gravy there, the coconut curry gravy there, mad. Yeah man, guys, like this. So I get the peel up and thing. Yeah man, coconut water refreshing and nice. Guys, while I go me think say oh the phone record, it never record because storage. You know, some of delete and stuff a while ago to free up some storage. Anyways, my turn how the goat balls taste. It come like a gizzard. Chicken gizzard, yeah man. And the same texture there it give like a gizzard. And to me, it come like curry chicken gizzard me I eat, nothing difference. Right? It don't taste no funny way. So would I eat it again? Yes, because it don't taste no funny way and have the same texture like gizzard. Even though I don't really like gizzard, but this one will come like a better tasting chicken gizzard. Right? Yeah man. But you know that I don't know. So chicken gizzard hard, yeah man. It's kinda more tender than that. Yeah. But nice. Comment below and tell me if you eat the goat balls and if you ever eat it before. Comment and tell me what it is like to own. So yeah man. Soon in our next video.